I'm Lee, your Disney Cruise Line cruise director. Today, we have a wonderful gift just for you. A special presentation of our Broadway-style production, Tangled the Musical. You're about to be transported into Rapunzel's fairy tale world, where the Disney characters come to life live on stage in this fanciful production. Pioneering puppetry, intricate costume pieces, and stunning set design transforms the Walt Disney Theatre into a fanciful Bavarian kingdom. The show, developed exclusively for Disney Cruise Line, brings together an all-star creative team. A Grammy Award-winning lyricist, a Tony Award-winning costume designer, and an Emmy Award-winning puppet designer. Not forgetting our very own Disney music legend. That's right, Academy Award-winning composer Alan Menken writes 3 brand new songs just for this show. So, now's the time to let your hair down, sit back and relax, prepare to sing a song or two from this fantastic Disney movie, as Disney Cruise Line proudly presents Tangled the Musical. Enjoy.
Hi. How you doing? This is the story of how I died. And it starts right here, a long time ago, with that tiara and a lost princess. Once a beautiful queen and noble king ruled a city upon a hill. They had a baby well on the way, but then one day Her Royal Highness took deathly ill. And as her sickness grew graver and nothing could save her, a sage told a legend of old.
Yes, the flower of gold. What's that? Only a story, sire, a myth. But baby, tell me, when the world was begun, a drop of sun fell to earth and became a flower. Go on. Instead of giving off a perfume, its golden bloom glows with magic of healing power.
Men, gather round! The king commanded his guard.
Find it now, no holds barred! Ere the queen's final death knell has tolled. This flower of gold.
Yes, sire! Now the tale was true, for indeed it grew. Hidden by a twisted old crone, who for centuries alone kept the secret of what it could do.
Power, gleam and glow, let your power shine. Make the clock reverse, bring back what once was mine.
Up they shoveled it, and with flower in hand, back they rode to the desperate king.
The sages brewed the leaves in a tea and instantly cured her highness of everything.
And on that very same morn, a sweet princess was born.
And her hair was a sight to behold.
Like a flower of gold.
Flower of gold.
Flower of gold.
And their joy was rare. But guess who was there? Hiding in the nursery that night to make use of the light shining bright in the princess's hair.
Gleam and glow, let your power.
But the magic left when she cut off a strand.
No!
So instead the lady took matters in hand.
My baby! was born, the people mourn. No one more than the king and queen.
Still every year on that night we set lanterns alight, and we pray she'll return to the
Flower of
Hey, Ryder! What's taking so long? Hurry it up down there.
Just as the princess's story begins with a theft, so does mine. Sorry, boys, I think I'll be needing this. Catch you later. But since I'm a little busy at the moment, now's a great time for you to meet the princess herself. Her name, Rapunzel.
Just 24 hours till my birthday. One day till the day I'm 18. A day which I guess will be spent more or less like the other 6,000 I've seen. A.m. the usual morning lineup. Start on the chores and sweep till the floor's all clean. Polish and wax your laundry, then mop and shine up. Sweep again, and by then it's like 7:15, and so I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play guitar and knit and cook, and basically just wonder when will my life begin. There, finished, finally. Then after lunch, it's puzzles and darts and baking. Papier-mâché, a bit of ballet and chess. Pottery time, ventriloquy, candle making. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew a dress, and I'll reread the books if I have time to spare. I'll paint the walls some more, I'm sure there's room somewhere. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same place I've always been. I'll keep wondering, wondering and wondering and wondering, when will my life begin? Tomorrow night, the lights will appear, just like they do on my birthday each year. What is it like out there where they glow? Now that I'm older, Mother might just let me go. Rapunzel? Rapunzel! Let down your hair! Coming, Mother! I'm not getting any younger down here. This is it. I'm finally gonna do it. I'm finally gonna ask her. Hi! Welcome home, Mother. Goodness, Rapunzel. How you manage to do that every single day without fail. It must be absolutely exhausting. Oh, it's nothing.
Well, then I don't know why it takes so long.
Oh, darling, I'm just teasing. So, Mother, as you know, tomorrow's a very big
Rapunzel,
day.
dear, look in the mirror. Do you know what I see? I see a strong, confident, beautiful young lady. Oh, look, you're here too. I'm I'm just teasing. Stop taking everything so seriously.
And so, Mother, as I was saying, tomorrow's my
Rapunzel, dear, Mother's feeling a bit run down. Would you sing to me?
Oh, of course, Mother. Flower, gleam and glow. Let your power shine. Make the clock reverse from back when once was mine. Rapunzel! So, Mother, tomorrow's my birthday. 18 years old. Crazy, right? And what I really want for this birthday, well, actually, what I've wanted for quite a few birthdays now.
Rapunzel, stop with the mumbling. Blah, 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 blah. It's very annoying. I'm just teasing. I love you so much.
Oh, I want to go see the floating lights.
What?
I mean, I was hoping you would take me to see the floating lights.
You want to go outside? Rapunzel! Look at you, as fragile as a flower. Still a little sapling, just a sprout. You know why we stay up in this tower? That's right, to keep you safe and sound, dear. Guess I always knew this day was coming. Knew that soon you'd want to leave the nest. Soon, but not yet. But trust me, pet. Mother knows best. Mother knows best. Listen to your mother. It's a scary world out there. Mother knows best. One way or another, something will go wrong, I swear. Ruffians, thugs, poison ivy, quicksand, cannibals and snakes, the plague. Oh, yes. Also, large bugs, men with pointy sticks and stuff. The more you'll just upset me. Mother's right here. Mother will protect you. Darling, here's what I suggest. Skip the drama, stay with Mama. Mother knows best.
But, Mother, it's been 18 years, and I've never once set foot outside.
And that's exactly my point. Mother knows best. Take it from your mumsy. On your own, you won't survive. Sloppy, underdressed, immature, clumsy, please. They don't eat you up alive. Gullible, naive, positively grubby, ditzy and a bit, well, vague. Plus, I believe, getting kinda chubby. I'm just saying, 'cause I love you. Mother understands. Mother's here to help you. All I have is one request. Rapunzel?
Yes?
Don't ever ask to leave this tower again.
Oh, but, Mother!
You are not leaving this tower ever!
Yes, Mother.
Don't forget it. You regret it. Mother knows best. I know what would make such a nice present. That white paint you like so much. If I leave now, I can get all the ingredients and be back in time for your big day tomorrow.
That sounds nice, Mother.
I love you very much, dear. I love you more. I love you most. Ta-ta, my flower. I will see you soon. I'll be here.
I've got my mother's love. I shouldn't ask for more. I've got so many things I should be thankful for. Yes, I have everything except, I guess, a door. Perhaps it's better that I stay in. But tell me, when will my life begin?
Hey, haven't forgotten forgotten about me, have you? People rarely do, but we haven't formally met. Let me take a moment to properly introduce myself. I've swiped a dozen treasures, robbed 100 vaults, left a million ladies needing smelling salts with stolen gold and stolen hearts. My bad boy cred is off the charts. You've seen my posters around, I'll bet you're a fan. Flynn Rider, wanted man.
There he is!
Ooh, moment over.
Get back here, Ryder!
Nope.
We gave him our protection. We offered him our trust. He ran with our tiara and left us in the dust. And when we catch that double-crossing snake, we got some bones to pick and some bones to break. We're gonna rip him to bits as soon as we can. Flynn Rider, wanted man.
The man is public menace #1
And 2,
5, 8, and 10. But now at last we've got him on the run. That is at last again.
We'll never stop him.
But this time we have a secret weapon. Maximus? Can you catch his trail? This way!
Hup, 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 hup.
There's nobody who's bolder, nobody who's fine.
There's no one with a smolder half as good as mine.
Gotta love the way his trousers fit plus.
All bet bar girls. Gotta split.
He's got the gleamiest teeth, the evenest tan.
Flynn Rider.
Wanted man.
A tracking horse? Really?
Get it!
Nobody's ever caught me.
Just watch out when we do. Oh, hang him and we'll shoot him and guillotine him too.
He's like the most sought after man alive.
But not for long once we arrive. You're gonna pay for your crimes. At least that's the plan. Flynn Rider, wanted man. From space to one home, as flat as a pan. Flynn Rider, wanted man.
What's this gap in the valley? Oh, a tower. I can hide there till the storm dies down.
Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider. Flynn Rider. Wanted man.
Oh, what happened? Where am I? Oh, what the? Is this hair?
I know what you want, and I'm not afraid of you.
Is someone there?
Who are you, and how did you find me?
Listen, I know not who you are nor how I came to find you, but let me just say Hey. How you doing? Name's Flynn Rider. How's your day going?
Who else knows my location? Flynn Rider.
Listen, Blondie.
Rapunzel.
Gesundheit. Here's the deal. I was in a situation gallivanting through the forest and... No. Where is my satchel?
I've hidden it where you'll never find it.
It's behind your back, isn't it? No, I was just... Why?
Now I've hidden it where you'll never find it. So, what do you want with my hair? To cut it? Sell it?
No, the only thing I'd like to do with your hair is get out of it. Literally.
Wait, you don't want my hair?
I was being chased. I saw your tower. I climbed it. End of story.
You're telling the truth.
Yeah.
All right, Flynn Rider. I'm prepared to offer you a deal. Do you know what these are?
You mean the lantern thing they do for the princess?
Lanterns. Oh, I knew they weren't stars. Tomorrow night, they will fill the night sky with these lanterns. You will act as my guide take me to the kingdom to see the lanterns and return me home safely.
No can do. See, the kingdom and I aren't exactly simpatico at the moment. So.
Then I promise you will never see your satchel again. And when I promise something, I never break that promise. Ever!
All right, fine. I didn't want to have to do this, but here it comes. The smolder. This usually works. Let me try it again. All right, fine. I'll take you to see the lanterns.
Yes!
Just, how exactly do we get down from here?
How do you think?
This day just keeps getting weirder and weirder.
Look at the world so close and I'm halfway to it. Mother would be so furious. But that's okay. What she doesn't know won't kill her, right? Look at it all so big. Do I even dare? Oh my gosh. This would kill her. But what if I never get this chance again? Look at me there. At last, I just have to do it. I am a horrible daughter.
Those lanterns are a one-time thing, Blondie.
Should I? No. Here I go. I did it! I can't believe I did it! I did it! Just smell the grass, the dirt, just like I dreamed they'd be. Just feel that summer breeze, the way it's calling me. For like the first time ever, I'm completely free. I could go running and racing and dancing and chasing and leaping and bounding, her flying, heart pounding and splashing and reeling and finally feeling. That's when my life begins.
All right. Woo, yeah. Here we go.
Did you hear that? Is it ruffians? Thugs? Have they come for me?
We call them squirrels. Stay calm, they can smell fear.
Sorry, I guess I'm just a little jumpy.
Probably best to stay away from ruffians and thugs then, huh?
Yeah, that would probably be best.
Are you hungry? 'Cause I know a great place for lunch.
Is it on the way to the kingdom?
Oh, follow me.
There's no sign of him.
Not a single clue.
Well, he can't have simply vanished into thin air. Oh. Good morrow, my lady. Have you by any chance seen this man?
Sorry, can't say that I have.
He's a notorious thief. A real lady killer, too. Young, impressionable girls seem to love him. Last seen around these parts in possession of something extremely precious to the king and queen.
Rapunzel.
What's that?
Nothing. I have to get home.
Guards, this way.
Welcome to the Snuggly Duckling. The nicest, safest tavern around. We wouldn't want you getting scared and giving up on this whole journey, now would we? Smell that. Take a deep breath. What are you getting? Because to me it's part man smell and the other part is really bad man smell. Your thoughts?
Hey! Whoa. That's a lot of hair!
She's growing it out. Hey, is that blood in your mustache? Hey, Goldie, come look at this. Look at all the blood in this man's mustache. Hey, you don't look so good. Maybe we should get you home, call it a day. After all, this is a 5-star joint, and if you can't handle this place.
Hey, is this you? Oh, that's him, all right. That reward is gonna buy me a new hook. What about me?
I could use mine.
Yeah, Put him down! Look, I don't know where I am, and I need him to take me to see the lanterns because I've been dreaming about them my entire life. Find your humanity. Haven't any of you ever had a dream?
I had a dream once. Maestro! I'm malicious, mean, and scary. My sneer could curdle dairy.
I've seen it happen.
And violence-wise, my hands are not the cleanest.
I only have one hand.
But despite my evil look, and my temper, and my hook, I've always yearned to be a concert pianist. To see me on the stage performing Mozart, tickling the ivories till they gleam. Yup, I'd rather be called Deadly for my killer show tune medley. Thank you, 'cause way down deep inside I've got a dream.
He's got a dream. He's got a dream.
See, I ain't as cruel and vicious as I seem. Though I do like breaking femurs, you can fool me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream.
Hey! I've got scars and lumps and bruises, plus something here that oozes. And let's not even mention my complexion. But despite my extra toes and my goiter and my nose, I really want to make a love connection. Cause you see me with the special little lady, rowing in a rowboat down the stream. Though I'm one disgusting blighter, I'm a lover, not a fighter. Cause way down deep inside I've got a dream. I've got a dream. He's got a dream. I've got a dream. He's got a dream. And I know one day romance will reign supreme. Though my face leaves people screaming, there's a child behind it dreaming. Like everybody else, I've got a dream.
Thor would like to quit and be a florist.
Gunther does interior design.
Ulf is into mine.
Tell us cupcakes are sublime.
Bruiser knits killer souls and does little puppet shows.
And Vladimir collects ceramic unicorns. What about you?
Sorry, me?
What's your dream?
Sorry, boys, I don't sing. I have dreams like you know, really, just much less touchy-feely. They mainly happen somewhere warm and sunny. On an island that I own, tanned and rested and alone, surrounded by enormous piles of money.
I got a dream.
She's got a dream.
I got a dream.
She's got a dream.
I just want to see the floating lanterns gleam. And with every passing hour, I'm so glad I've left my tower. Like all you lovely folks, I've got a dream. How about
Yes, way down deep inside, I've got a dream. Yeah!
Not too bad. Oh, the palace guards are coming.
Please, can you help us?
Oh, see, now that's nifty.
Go live your dream.
Thanks, I will.
Your dream stinks. I was talking to her.
Thank you.
Not getting any less wanted here.
Is it safe?
Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, as long as you don't accidentally set off the booby trap that causes the tunnel to flood.
Where is Flynn Rider? The trail leads here. Where is he?
I never seen him before.
Never heard of him.
Never set foot in this place.
Yeah, there's no way. That's the guy who just went out through the secret tunnel.
You there, thug. You are going to lead us to him. Get going!
I knew we couldn't trust that backstabbing, double-dealing snake.
Just wait till I get my hands on Flynn Rider. I'm gonna rip him limb from limb, squeeze what's left in the pulp, and then steal that.
I couldn't help but overhear. Did you just mention Flynn Rider?
Yeah.
What of it?
Well, it just so happens that your friend kidnapped my little girl and left this behind.
Hey, that
Give
belongs
that
to
back,
us.
lady.
Give it here.
Oh, please, there's no need for violence. Of course, if this crown is all you want, take it and be on your way. I was going to offer you something worth 1,000 crowns, and that isn't even the best part.
What's the best part?
It comes with revenge on Flynn Rider. Doesn't that sound like fun?
Yes, I want that thing, John.
I gotta admit, Blondie, you weren't half bad back there.
I know! I mean, I know. You don't suppose those guards followed us, do you?
Nah. The horse, maybe. Run! Hurry! The lantern!
Just don't forget about the...
Booby trap!
The water is rising! Flynn, what are we going to do?
Let me see if I can get us out. It's no use. I tried to dig through the rocks, but it's pitch black down there. I can't see a thing. If only we had some sort of light.
Flower gleam and glow, let your power shine.
We made it.
Your hair glows.
We're alive.
Didn't see that coming. It actually glows.
It doesn't just glow.
Oh.
Your hand is bleeding. I can help. Just don't freak out, okay? Heal what has been hurt. Change the fate's design. Don't freak out!
I'm not freaking out. I'm just interested in your hair and the magical qualities it possesses. How long's it been doing that exactly?
Forever, I guess. Mother says when I was a baby, somebody tried to cut it and take it. But when it's cut, it turns brown and loses its power. A gift like that has to be protected. That's why Mother never let me leave. That's why I never left.
You never left that tower, and you're still going to go back.
No. Yes. It's complicated.
Yeah.
I knew you wouldn't understand. Life must be so easy for the great Flynn Rider.
Eugene.
What?
My real name is Eugene Fitzherbert
Seriously? But then...
I'll spare you the story of poor orphan Eugene. It's long and boring. There was this book at the orphanage, The Tales of Flanagan Ryder, swashbuckling rogue, richest man alive, not too bad with the ladies, but we never bragged about it.
Was he a thief too?
No. He had enough money to do whatever he wanted to do. And for a kid with nothing, that's... Listen, you can't tell anyone about this, okay? It would ruin my reputation.
Oh, we wouldn't want that.
A fake reputation is all a man has. That's just... I should get some firewood.
Hey, for the record, I like Eugene Fitzherbert much better than Flynn Rider.
Well, you'd be the first, but thank you.
Well, I thought he'd never leave.
Mother, how did you find me?
Oh, easy, really. I just listened for the sound of complete and utter betrayal and followed that.
Mother.
We're going home, Rapunzel, now.
No! You don't understand. I've been on this incredible journey. I've seen and done so much. I even met someone.
Ah, yes, the wanted thief. I'm so proud.
Mother, I think he likes me.
Likes you? Please, Rapunzel, that's demented. This is why you never should have left. My dear, this whole romance that you've invented just proves you're too naive to be here. Why would he like you? Come on now, really. Look at you. You think that he's impressed? Don't be a dummy. Come with Mummy. Mother.
No!
No. Oh, I see how it is. Rapunzel knows best. Rapunzel's so mature now. Such a clever grown-up miss. Rapunzel knows best. Fine, if you're so sure now, go ahead and give him this. How did you find this? Is why he's here. Don't let him deceive you. Give it to him. Watch, you'll see.
I will.
Trust me, my dear. That's how fast he'll leave you. I won't say I told you so. No, Rapunzel knows best. So if he's such a dreamboat, go and put him to the test. If he's lying, don't come crying. Mother knows best.
Everything all right, Blondie?
Yes. Just lost in thought, I guess.
Hey, can I ask you a question? Is there any chance I'm gonna get super strength in my hand? Because let me tell you, that would be absolutely... Ow! Ow! Whoa! Leave me alone!
Settle down! Easy, easy. Now sit. Oh, good boy. Oh, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Oh, that's right, you are. Are you tired from chasing the bad man all over the place?
Excuse me?
Nobody appreciates you, do they?
Oh, come on, he's a bad horse!
Oh, he is nothing but a big sweetheart.
Isn't that right? Maximus. Is that your name? Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, Flynn, isn't he just so beautiful? Hey, Max, come here. So listen, tomorrow is kind of the biggest day of my life. And the thing is, I need you not to get him arrested. Just for 24 hours, and then you can chase each other to your heart's content, okay? And also, it's my birthday. Just so you know.
I'm shaking hands with a horse.
And now we'd better get going. We'll be at the kingdom by morning. The festival will be in full swing.
Let's go. Lanterns to honor the missing princess. It's been 18 years today, and these nations are accepted.
Come to the festival, lads and lasses.
Come and be merry, my dears.
Come as we honor the missing princess.
Gone from us all of these
By a
years.
sweet pastry and loving memory.
Purchase a flower balloon.
Wave a bright flag for our missing princess.
May she return to us soon.
It's amazing, isn't it?
I thought you'd like it, Blondie. You too, Max.
All of these years we've been fondly awaiting her.
Certain that somewhere she surely must roam. So on her birthday we keep celebrating her.
Hoping she'll hear and come home.
When she returns, she'll be lovely and fair like you.
Thanks.
If it's this year, she'll be 18 years old.
Me too.
She would be pretty with long golden hair like you.
When she returns to the fold, people will be singing, the bells will be ringing, frolicking away on the day she returns. And if she is near us, perhaps she will hear us and come when she sees our kingdom still young. When she returns, we will welcome her in again. When she returns, why how happy we'll be. When she returns and her reign can begin again joyously. But till she comes, we'll wave flags and beat drums, then we'll pray. Come what may for the day when she
Poor parents, how long they have wept for her, marking each birthday with joy and with tears, hoping she'll come for the crown they have kept for her all these years.
And this is why as her birthday draws nigh, we sing songs and light lanterns and hope she'll come by. And she'll join in a dance and then maybe perchance she will see how long she'll live when she returns.
To the boats! We've got to go to the boats!
Where are we going?
Oh, best day of your life. I thought you should have a decent seat. Are you ready?
So ready. But I've been looking out a window for 18 years, dreaming about those lights. What if they're not everything I dreamed they would be?
They will be.
What if they are? What do I do then?
Then you get to go find a new dream.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. Now I'm here blinking in the starlight. Now I'm here, suddenly I see. Standing here, it's oh so clear. I'm where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog has lifted. And at last I see the light. And it's like the sky is new. And it's warm and real and bright. And the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you.
Here. I should have given this to you before, but I was scared. But the thing is, I'm not so scared anymore. Do you know what I mean?
I'm starting to. All those days chasing down a daydream. All those years living in a blur. All that time never truly seeing things the way they were. Now she's here, shining in the starlight. Now she's here, suddenly I know. If she's here, it's crystal clear. I'm where I'm meant to go. And at last I see the light. And it's like the fog is lifted. And at last I see the light.
And it's like the sky is new.
And it's warm and real and bright. And the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. Now that I see
Tangled, look, there he is. Hi, yeah, here.
There's something I have to do. It'll only take a second.
Flynn? Flynn?
You guys can come out now. I know you've been following me.
Well, well, well.
If it isn't Flynn Rider.
The one, the only. Here's this old thing. Won't be needing it anymore, so what say we go our separate ways and call it even?
We had something else in mind.
Something even more valuable.
We want the girl.
What? Rapunzel, no, I won't let you.
Flynn? Flynn? Is that you? I was starting to think you'd taken the crown and left me.
He did.
What? No, he wouldn't.
And he said, we could have you.
The girl with the magic hair.
What?
Oh, she's so warm. What do you want to do with her hair?
Sell it!
Out. Brother!
Rapunzel! Mother! Oh, how did you find me? Never mind that. This is what I've always warned you about. Those thugs. That
Mother, you were right. You were right about everything.
I know, darling. I know. Come. Let's go home. The outside world is harsh and ugly and cruel. But now you're where you belong and where you'll always stay. You look terrible. Clean yourself up for dinner, dear. I've made your favorite. You can have as much as you want, as long as it isn't too much.
Well, back to home, sweet home. It seems so small and dim, but I've got Mother here. Guess it won't be so grim. Plus all my books, my painting, everything but him. Wait a minute. All those years hidden in this tower. All this time staring at the sun. All those lights burning on my birthday. Could I? Am I? Oh my gosh! I'm the lost princess.
Rapunzel? What's going on in here? Are you all right?
I'm the lost princess.
Please speak up, Rapunzel. You know how I hate the mumbling.
I'm the lost princess, aren't I? Did I mumble, Mother? Or should I even call you that?
Rapunzel, listen to yourself.
I've spent my whole life hiding in a tower from people who would use me for my powers when I should have been hiding from you.
You need me. You'll never survive out there.
You were wrong about the world, and you were wrong about me.
Oh, really? If I hadn't gotten rid of that criminal,
What,
he would have...
Flynn? You set him up?
And he'll be hanged for his crimes by sundown.
No.
Now, we'll get through this.
Never! And don't ever touch my hair again!
You want me to be the bad guy? Fine. Now I'm the bad guy.
All right, Ryder, let's get this over with.
Get what over with? Oh, that.
Any last requests?
Yeah, can't you just let him go live his dream?
Guys, how did you find me? Look! Max! Max, you went for help!
And here we are.
Well, what are we waiting for? Rapunzel needs us. I'm on my way!
Get him,
Thanks, guys!
He's got a dream, he's got a dream. And so old Maximus had better pick up steam.
Hey, pretty good guys, let's
Hey! He's got a dream, he's got a dream. And since it's all about the girl, we're on his team. If you score, if you waver, he's never gonna save her. Go on and save the girl and live your...
Here we go.
Dream! Rapunzel, let down your hair!
Don't worry, my flower. It will all be over soon.
Oh, Rapunzel, I never thought I'd see you again.
And now you never will.
Oh.
you've done, Rapunzel. Oh, don't worry, dear. Our secret will die with him. As for us, we are going where no one will ever find you again. Rapunzel, stop fighting me. It's over.
No, I won't stop fighting. For the rest of my life, I will never stop trying to get away from you. But if you let me save him, I'll go with you.
No, no.
Just let me heal him, and we'll be together forever, just like you want.
Promise. Promise!
I promise.
Heal him, and then we are going.
Eugene! Oh, the wound is so deep.
Rapunzel, I can't let you do this.
And I can't let you die.
Rapunzel, wait.
No! Shine, make the clock reverse me back when once was mine.
Rapunzel?
Eugene?
You were my new dream.
And you were mine.
Heal what has been hurt. Change the fate's design. Save what has been lost. Bring back what once was mine. Once was mine.
Eugene?
Did I ever tell you I had a thing for brunettes?
Eugene!
On the very next day,
Or so they say.
a stranger came to the castle wall.
The king and queen were summoned in haste.
And down they raced.
Hardly daring to breathe at all.
When they saw who had come,
They both stood there struck dumb, for they knew her without being told.
And you can guess what happened next.
Kingdom went mad for her.
When she returned, every heart filled with light.
And she returned the affection we had for her, and things began to go right.
Returned, love broke out nearly everywhere. Thanks to old Max, all the crime vanished too. Strange as it seems, people reach for their dreams,
And they all came true.
and from that day, joy and gladness held sway.
He loved her as if she were never away.
On the day
As for me, I changed my name back to Eugene and gave up thieving. But I know what you're all wondering. Did Rapunzel and I ever get married? Well, after years and years of asking and asking, I finally said yes.
Eugene.
All right, I asked her.
I've got a life I love.
One built on honesty,
I've got a home, a family.
not to mention me.
Now for the first time ever,
We're completely free and with the whole world to wander in.
can go running,
And racing.
Rejoicing,
embracing,
Carousing,
exploring, like feeling,
soaring.
And loving and growing and finally knowing. Now's when our lives begin.
Well, we truly hope you enjoyed our very special presentation of Tangled the Musical. Make sure you stay tuned to Disney Parks blog as we continue to bring you more magic from Disney Cruise Line right there to you in your homes. See you real soon, everyone.